welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel, but you can call me Chanty. And today I'm going to show you my high school makeup versus how I do my makeup now. So if I can dredge up a picture of me in high school, I will post it right here. If I did not find a picture, this is a very awkward 5 seconds of me standing here pointing at a blank space. Okay. Let's get right into it. In high school, for foundation, I used the Pure Pressed Mineral Powder. No primer, no contour, no concealing, just the powder and the face. So I'm gonna make my left side my high school side. Now, I remember all the girls my age were wearing the Maybelline Dream Matte foundation. Y'all remember that? And I just remember never liking it because I wasn't allowed to wear makeup until I was 14. Yeah, 14. Because my mom said I was too young to need it. And I mean, she was right, but at the same time, I don't know, I was always attracted to it. I used to sneak into my parents' bathroom and take her makeup all the time.
Sorry, Mom.
You know, I still think this is a really good everyday foundation. I stopped using it because I found that it dried out my face. And on days where I had like really patchy skin, it would just really show. I put on a lot of moisturizer because I knew I was doing this today. The skin is feeling supple. And that's it. That's it for skin. Nice and easy, right? It actually looks really good. I forgot how well the color matched my skin. I accidentally skipped ahead, but what I did was I used purple eyeshadow on my eyelid, and then I went over it with black eyeliner. That was my jam. And yeah, this would have been it. And then I wouldn't have used an eyelash curler. I was deathly afraid of these things. So I would go right into the mascara. At the time, I can't remember the brand. I think it was Maybelline. And it was in those pink and green tubes because everyone was using it. So I was using it too. And I would have just gone right in. Oh yeah, the reason I was telling you about it is because I don't have it. So I'm just using my L'Oreal Million Little Lashes, and I would have done the top layer. I put a lot on because like I wanted to look like I was wearing makeup. No natural look for me, honey. And I never did the bottom lash because I didn't think you needed to. I mean, you don't have to, but I like to now. I remember this look would take me like half an hour, and I think I just did it in 5 minutes. Onward. So nowadays, the first thing I do is prime. If I'm putting concealer on, I'm priming. Unless I forget to. For my everyday, I kind of go back and forth. Some days I don't wear foundation, like I'll just do an eye look. And then some days I'll do like a moderate amount of makeup. So I'm gonna show you that just for kind of difference sake. Starting with the Amazonian Clay foundation. Oh, for so long I was afraid to use cream foundations. I was just so afraid that they were gonna clog my pores. Which, if you just clean it right, then you don't have to worry about that. Now, even though I still have my Pure Pressed Mineral foundation, I always tend towards my cream foundation first. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Lately, I've just been liking a dot here and a little bit more in the corner here. I've been really obsessed with Robert Welch's videos lately, and he has shown me a whole new light for applying concealer for every day. And I just take a little bit behind my nose just because like really deep set features. So I like to lighten up the lines a little bit. And if I've had an especially rough night and the eye bags are a little bad, then I'll take a little bit more concealer and just plunk it in the middle Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics palette. Oh yeah, I never did my eyebrows back in the day. Not that I just never really felt like I wanted to, but nowadays, I don't know, like little patches of hair, like here, and it thins out right here for some reason. I like to just kind of fill those areas in a bit. A little bit here. And then I take that lighter brown and I just kind of fill it in there. I don't want the patches here to like fully be filled in, otherwise it just looks like I have two giant block eyebrows. Just want it to fade a bit more smoothly. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Too Faced Natural Matte palette. And I love this middle row here. It's hands down my favorite 3 colors in this palette. But before I put on my eyeshadow, I'm going to prime. I still use eyeshadow primer even in an everyday situation, just to make sure it lasts all day. Now I'll start with cleavage. And dust that just in my crease. Sorry, blend it, not dust it. And I'll usually take that along my lower lash line as well. Then with a thick pencil brush, I'll take that darkest purple called Risky Business. I'll use that on the outer corner of my eye and create a V shape. I usually just kind of build that up until it's the intensity that I like. Just like a nice light daytime smoky eye. And then I'll take the lightest color, which is called Nude Gold, and I'll put that on the remainder of my eyelid, and then in the inner corner here too. And then I will use an eyelash curler because I'm not afraid of it anymore. I'm a lot more strategic with my mascara placement now. And I definitely put it on the lower lashes. Then I'll normally just do some light bronze and blush. This Wander Beauty Trip for Two is one of my favorite ones to go traveling with, just because they have such big pans and the colors are just perfect. Exactly what I want. Oh, that's too much. And I'll do it under there. I kind of use my bronzer as a bit like contour when I'm not doing full glam. Just because I still like a little bit of definition. I just don't want to use contour. And then I'll use the same brush. Yeah, I do. For blush. Just in the outer corner here. That's really intense. I'm going to see if I can buff that out a bit. And then lipstick, I sometimes wear, sometimes don't wear. So I'll just show you the one that I wear most frequently when I do wear lipstick. And that is the Maybelline Touch of Spice matte lipstick. And I like it just because it's very similar to my natural color, just kind of a little bit deeper. Et voila! This is the difference between my high school makeup and my now makeup, more everyday. You can see I just got a little bit more structure to my face. I don't look so washed out, and my eyes look more open. I'm not gonna lie, looking at this is a little bit of a trip for me, just to see how different my makeup look is now in comparison to how it looked when I was in high school. Because I definitely still liked makeup in high school, I didn't know how to use it properly. I didn't know how to make it work for my face. I just did whatever I saw everyone else doing at the time. And now, you know, I still do a little bit of that, but it's more tailored to my face, which I think is really cool. Let me know in the comment section below if you did your makeup like this too in high school, because I know I'm not the only one. If you liked this video, if you like my vibe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy. In high school for foundation, I used the Pure Pressed Mineral Powder. Ah! Yeah, I just knocked over my lighting. And that is the Maybelline Touch of Spite. Ugh.